Hello friends, welcome to Kalsi Estate. My name is Kalsi. I'm into industry from last 27 years and I take my job as serving rather than selling and I love giving plenty of advice in real estate. तो दोस्तों आज के प्रेजेंटेशन में आप देखेंगे सारंग डेवलपिंग बाय सुमुद्रा डेवलपर at Dodabanahalli, Whitefield, Bangalore. So let's begin with the presentation. So friend, this is the elevation of the building and this project is constructed in 4.7 acre land parcel. There are 3 towers in this A, B and C. So right now developer has launched A and B tower. C tower will be launched later. So today we will speak only of A and B tower. So here both the towers has 2-level basement and it's 22 habitable floors. So all the parking are given in basement and ground floor, and plus every tower has 6 flats on every floor with combination of 3 and 4 BHK flats. Plus in center you see large clubhouse has been given and it's a ground plus 2-level clubhouse, and all the open amenities are given on ground floor. So here you have more than 45 plus amenities in this project. All 3 buildings are separated from each other, so you get better cross ventilation in every flat. Plus building has lighter shade with white and brown color combination. So building looks very rich and elegant. And this is the night image of the building. So here you can see this is isometric view of the building and there are 3 towers A, B and C. And center you will see large clubhouse is given and grand entrance gate is given with security cabin. Plus in the surrounding areas there are plenty of lush greens in this area. So friend, this is master plan of this project Sarang by Sumadhura Developers, and this is building A, building B and building C. So building C is not yet launched. Here in center large clubhouse has been given. It's 33,000 square feet clubhouse and all these open amenities are given on ground floor surrounding the buildings. So friends, when you see the location map over here, Sarang Sumudra is located here and this road is Whitefield Hoskote Road. Metro line is very close by to this project. This junction is Hope Farm Junction and this is Whitefield railway station. So project is very close by to metro station as well as Whitefield railway station. This is 8-lane express highway which is Old Madras Road passing close by from this project, and all these red icon you see over here, these are all Sumudra projects, some delivered and some under construction. Plus here too they have 6 Sumudra project. So Sumudra is a branded developer and they have plenty of projects in Bangalore. So when you see the ecosystem for this project, in the hospital wise, Satya Sai Super Specialty Hospital, Narayan Multi-Speciality Hospital, Columbia Asia, Vaidehi Hospital and much more. These are all 15 to 17 minutes from this project. Offices, especially in IT hubs, Cipla Limited, Siemens Limited, ITPL, Accenture, Benz Corp, TCS, iGate. These are all 3 to 18 minutes from this project. And school-wise, Vibgor School, MVJ College of Engineering, Ryan International School, Whitefield Global School and much more. These are all 9 to 15 minutes from this project. In hotel-wise, Sheraton 4 Points, Taj Vivanta, The Den, JW Marriott Hotel, Fat Chief, Holiday Inn, Mainland China. This is again 12 to 18 minutes from this project. And in shopping mall, you have Park Square Mall, Forum Value Mall, In-Orbit Mall and Phoenix Mall. Again 9 to 16 minutes from this project. So ecosystem is well developed for this project. So in Sarang, in amenities, you have jogging track, bicycle track, children's play area, half tennis court, amphitheater, skating ring, party lawn, outdoor fitness area, cricket pitch, hopscotch, pool deck and much more. So friends, finally we come to the unit plan. So in 3 BHK they have different variant. So living room has a balcony with it and it's a L-shaped living space. Plus one of the bedroom also has balcony and kitchen is having huge utility space. So here 3 BHK starts from 1655 super built up square feet and it goes up to 1870 super built up area, and price starts from 1.68 cr. And similarly in 4 BHK 2 you have huge balcony with living space. One of the bedroom also has huge balcony, and plus kitchen has huge dry balcony. So here 4 BHK starts from 2135 and it goes up to 2580 super built up area, and price starts from 2.25 cr. And finally possession for this building will be on December 2026. Very soon developer will be launching C Tower 2. So for booking and more detail you can call me on my number 7400138561. And thank you for watching this presentation. Don't forget to like and share to this channel because sharing is caring. And see you again with one more developer, one more project very soon. Bye bye. Take care.